NIO huge July numbers leaked. NIO's back again in the news. In the recent world, NIO stock is one of the most famous stocks. But looking at the fluctuations, it's difficult to predict what is going to happen next. Being NIO is a new and highly growing stock, NIO is a risk factor as well. NIO's huge July numbers have been leaked. What is the truth and what is the secret? Let us find out. Hello friends and welcome back to Stock Market News. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. It's been rumored that NIO's huge July numbers have leaked. What's the truth behind it? If it's true, then what are the numbers? We are going to discuss everything here today, so stick with the video and watch it till the end to know everything about it. Before that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. And let us start with our latest. NIO has seen its stock price take a significant hit since July, but the company's prospects in the electric vehicle sector continue to appear more positive. The startup company that specializes in electric vehicles plans to introduce new EV goods in the fiscal year 2022. As a result of recent improvements to its manufacturing lines, the company should see a steady increase in output. Nevertheless, the more affordable value is the most compelling argument in favor of investing in NIO's expansion strategy. In the month of December, NIO delivered more than 10,000 of its electric cars, including ES6s, EC6s, and ES8s. This was the second consecutive month in which NIO delivered more than 10,000 EVs. Although NIO's competitors overtook the firm in terms of delivery growth during the fiscal year 2021, NIO is on track to overtake its competitors during the fiscal year of 22 as the company prepares to launch new electric vehicle models into the market. NIO is set to produce two new sedans, the ET5 and the ET7. These vehicles will not only expand the density of NIO's product selection, but they'll also represent the beginning of the company's entrance into the sedan market. Even though NIO's present product portfolio is exclusively comprised of sport utility vehicles, which are doing rather well in the market, the company's sales potential is still restricted to a certain market niche due to the company's limited focus on SUVs. The full-size luxury sedan known as the ET7 is scheduled to make its debut in China in the beginning of 2022. Despite this, the manufacturer has indicated that the next market for the ET7 will be Europe, namely Germany. At this time, the ES Sports utility vehicle is only available for purchase in Norway. Norway serves as a gateway market for future penetration of other European nations, thus NIO is concentrating its sales efforts there. The ET7 sedan, which is going to go head-to-head with Tesla's S, has been meticulously crafted with the intention of luring customers residing in countries other than China. It is anticipated that the first deliveries of the ET5, a mid-size electric coupe, would begin during the autumn of the fiscal year 2022. In December, William Lee, the creator of the firm, said that the ET5 sedan had reached the biggest pre-order volume in the history of NIO. NIO's delivery growth prospects have never been greater than they are right now as a result of the large production ramp that will take place in fiscal year 2022, in particular with respect to the ET7, which will debut earlier than the ET5. The young company that specializes in electric cars reported a year-over-year increase of 109.1% in terms of the number of electric vehicles it shipped during the fiscal year 2021. This rise is significant, particularly considering the severe chip shortages that occurred during the fiscal year of 21, which caused production delays and the underutilization of manufacturing units. My best guess is that NIO will sell a minimum of 190,000 electric vehicles throughout the fiscal year 2022. The majority of these vehicles will be ES6s, since these models accounted for just over half of all NIO's deliveries during the month of December. There's a good chance that the ramp for the ET7 and the ET5 will get off to a poor start. Nevertheless, it ought to pick up speed in the second part of the year. NIO would produce a 108% year-over-year increase in deliveries in fiscal year 22 if it was able to sell 190,000 potential electric vehicles in sales this year, of which 10,000 might be ET5s and ET7s. If difficulties with the supply chain are eliminated as a barrier to NIO's commercial development, the electric vehicle manufacturer can very well see a quickening in the growth rates of both its production and delivery rates. Since reaching a peak of $55 per share in July 2021, when NIO shares were trading at a price that was utterly unjustified, the price of NIO shares has seen a precipitous, severe, and completely unjustifiable decline. Despite a recovery in deliveries in the fourth quarter and the best product lineup available since the company was founded, NIO's commercial prospects in the market for electric vehicles have been discounted by an unbelievable 55% since July. This is despite the fact that NIO has had the best product lineup available since the company was first established. Because NIO plans to introduce brand new electric vehicles to the market this year, I anticipate that the company's revenue projections will continue to increase throughout the course of the year. This year, it's anticipated that NIO will create $9.9 billion in sales, and the year after that, it's projected that NIO will earn $15.3 billion in revenue. My opinion is that the predictions are too pessimistic regarding NIO's revenue potential. This is primarily due to the fact that the EV manufacturer is increasing its popularity in the segment of the market for sedans that's underserved and is looking to expand in Europe, both of which will lead to an increase in sales. Because of this, I believe that NIO will be able to produce income that's more than what it is presently predicted for both this year and next year. I anticipate that NIO will bring in revenue of $11 billion for the fiscal year 2022, and I anticipate that it will bring in revenue of $16.5 billion for the fiscal year 2023. Given that NIO now has a market capitalization of $40 billion, the sales multiplier factors for the fiscal years of 2022 and 2023 respectively are 3.6x and 2.4x. These sales multipliers seem relatively modest when compared to the fact that NIO is projected to have a growth in EV deliveries of more than 100% this year. Because the sell-off also had an effect on two other Chinese electric vehicle startup companies, XPeng and Li Auto, the market as a whole is currently trading at highly favorable prices. According to my assessment, the possibility that the electric vehicle manufacturer may mess up its production and delivery ramp is the greatest business risk for NIO. It is possible that in 2022, NIO will be moved into another value group if it's successful in its operations and does not have any delays in the delivery of its products. New COVID-19 outbreaks and a recession in the Chinese economy both offer broad hazards for NIO and other electric vehicle manufacturers when seen from a macro viewpoint. The fact that China has reduced its subsidies for electric cars by 30% this year may have an effect on the demand for EVs in the fiscal year of 22. Next year, the subsidy rate's going to be reduced all the way down to zero, which may have the effect of slowing down NIO's sales price. Concerning EV stock prices, the market has completely lost its mind. Given the potential that the startup company has in the market for electric vehicles, NIO's share price has become ridiculously low in comparison to the potential. This is especially true now that more EV products are going to launch, and the pre-order status for the ET5 is encouraging, despite the fact that specific numbers have not been released. NIO may have some pleasant surprises in store for investors throughout fiscal year 22, and the company's forthcoming product releases are positioned to act as catalysts for the stock to continue its upward trajectory. So here we are, done with our video. Let us know in the comment box what you all think about it. NIO stock is no doubt one of the most famous stocks right now. Let us know if you are planning to invest in it. And if you found our video useful, kindly like it and share it with your friends. And if you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. And thanks for watching!